Nicholas McGallis, TMZ, why are you so adorable? Sir, we just want to know.
This is what I have to deal with on Saturday.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Roxy wants to eat her. Roxy!
Man and his best friend.
Oh, she's stealing! She's stealing! Oh!
Oh, what is his name?
Tank.
What?
Tank.
Well, don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry.
He woke up like this.
Give me that.
Piper, the answer is no. Skittles are not for dogs.
Why are you doing that? You're not a cat, you're a dog. Oh my gosh, stop.
Scratch me if you love me. Oh. Oh. Yes.
Good boy.
Go, Marley! Go! Go! Go, Marley! Go, Marley!
Hands up. Bang. Good girl.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came.
Oh my. Say hi to me. Oh, he's dead hard.
Say, are you hungry?
You hungry?
Buddy, you're my best friend.
Buddy?
Piggyback ride.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your head. We got a runner. We got a runner. Black male heading northbound towards Burn Street. Send backup. Send.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Dude, man,
I'm so excited to see you, bud.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh my. She's praying. So I don't use this.
How to hold a little dog. Let her straddle your forearm like that. Supports her back. Trust me, I have a beard.
As long as I get my suit and tie, I'ma leave it up on the floor tonight. Baby got fixed up too.
Why you gotta copy me?
I love my dog and he loves me, right, bud?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can.
Oh, hell no. Mosquitoes. Oh, hell no. Better not be. Dinky!
Hey, what kind of dog is that?
Spanish Bulldog.
Oh, does he bark?
See, pendejo!
Oh my. Happy 420.
Are you alright, dude? So stoned.
Lily, who's your best friend? Good girl. Who's your second best friend? Good girl.
My dog hates when people lay down on the couch.
Just out walking my show, dog. So that's it? You just done, huh?
Hey, dead dog.
Who likes to sleep? Who likes to be lazy? Who likes to get fat?
Oh, Bubby. Oh, Bubba. Not you!
Obama gave it to me. Obama did. Obama. Bush gave it to me. Bush did.
It's the way
depend on me.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Well, don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry.
Can I have a hug, Clutchy? Come here. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy.
I see your point, but I think Breaking Bad's better than Dexter. Let's just agree to disagree.
Can't eat anything in this house without this happening. Get out of here or I'll turn you into a sweater.
Yo, what is that? That don't taste like an apple. What, are you filming me?
Dogs will do anything for a treat.
Bang, bang. Now do my math homework.
Opia, give me a hug. Opia, come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, love you too.
Buster doesn't like this.
What is that? Oh. Oh. Shit.
This is why you don't take your dog out without the leash.
Briggs, get over here. Get over here. Get your ass over here.
Hey, girl. Oh, what you got there? Jesus! Oh, look!
Get out of there! That was animal abuse. Poor dead dog. Sad.
Oh, what a cute dog.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
For walking? Yeah, walking? Okay. And we're at the bed.
How I play with my dog.
Yeah!
With my cat.
Day, dear. Happy birthday. What you do?
Hey, can I have one kiss? Please, please. No. You know how bad you smell right now?
Giving my dogs treats.
Here's a chip. Here's an onion. You want a watermelon? No.
Billy, want a treat? Roll over. Roll over. High five. Okay, good.
Stay.
Steal. You found me.
Somebody won't let go of their toy.
Let's go. Come on. We're going inside. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
A dog plus
I swear that
equals.
What?
Shorty, did you get sprayed by a skunk? Did you get sprayed by a skunk?
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey.
This is me telling my dog she's adopted. Hein, you're adopted.
Whatever. Big deal. Big deal, buddy.
Clean up.
Go open the gate.
Hands up. Bang. Good girl. Oops. Thank you.
Jackman! Gosh, there you are!
Movie time, time to watch a movie. What? Don't even think about it.
Aw. Oh, come on!
Well, look, Wizard of Oz is on.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
She's not real.
Come on!
Stop!
You know when you're trying to eat something and your dogs just won't leave you alone? And you're just like,
Leave me alone, it's my food.
Get it. Good boy.
Sadie.
I thought I told you to go to bed. You're in here on your phone. What are you doing?
Girl, you did not just say that to me. Oh, hell.
I think my dog thinks she's Chewbacca.
I can't reach the remote. Thank
Oh, no, yeah, I'll wait. Take your time.
You wanna get it? Wanna get it? Go get it! Go get it!
Were you just chewing on my shoes? Huh? This doesn't mean it's okay.
You need to get groomed and fast. I got this. There you go. Now you look beautiful. Perfect.
¿Dónde vas, Pipa?
Yep.
Has anybody seen my dog? It's been months. I still cannot find her. Like, I cannot find her anywhere. Lucy! Lucy!
Hey, Coop.
Hey, buddy. You look so cute. Come here. I love you, buddy. Coop, you don't love me.
Down. Roll over. Roll over.
Good news. I'm coming home 2 days early.
I'm home.
Oopsie.
How you doing? Woo! You trying to get me? He trying to get me, girl. Don't let him get me. Don't let him get me. Ah!